This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, huh? The Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Summit. Big difference in price right off the bat.
Huge difference. The Nexgrill is around $180, and the Weber, well, it's pushing $3,600. What are we even getting for that extra cash?
Well, the Weber is a full-blown grill center. Think of it as an outdoor kitchen. It has enclosed storage, a rotisserie system, even a smoker box. The Nexgrill is a portable tabletop grill, much smaller.
So portability versus a whole outdoor cooking experience? What about cooking space?
The Nexgrill has 263 square inches. The Weber blows it away with 769 square inches. You could cook for a small army on that thing.
Okay, that makes sense given the size difference. What about power? How hot can they get?
The Nexgrill puts out 13,500 BTUs with 2 burners. The Weber doesn't list BTU, but it has 6 main burners and a sear station. I'm guessing it gets screaming hot. It also has a side burner, actually 2, to the Nexgrill 0.
So the Weber is definitely packing some heat, and a lot more features. Is the Nexgrill completely outclassed here?
Not necessarily. It depends on what you need. The Nexgrill is designed for camping, tailgating, small spaces. It's lightweight, about 29 pounds. The Weber is a behemoth, nearly 200 pounds. You're not exactly taking that to the park.
True. And the Nexgrill has a griddle insert so you can do pancakes or stir fries. Does the Weber do that?
Nope, no griddle. But it has stainless steel cooking grates and flavorizer bars, which are supposed to be super durable. The Nexgrill has cast iron grates, which are good for heat retention.
Okay, so if I want a portable, affordable grill for occasional use, the Nexgrill is a solid choice. But if I'm serious about grilling and want a full outdoor kitchen setup and have the budget, the Weber is the way to go.
Pretty much. It's about matching the grill to your needs and your wallet. Both have good reviews, by the way, although the Weber has way fewer ratings.
Good to know. Thanks for the breakdown.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.